Hey everyone, welcome back to Gen Tech, your go-to place for tech, education and productivity. If you're someone who loves using your smartphone at night, but wants to reduce eye strain, then this video is just for you. Today, we'll guide you through enabling night light and adjusting its intensity on the Nothing CMF Phone 1. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Settings first, unlock your Nothing CMF Phone 1 and head to the home screen. Look for the Settings app, it's the gear icon. Tap it to open. Step 2. Go to Display Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Display. Once you find it, tap to access the display settings. Step 3. Enable Night Light. Inside the display menu, you'll see an option called Night Light. Tap on it. Now, toggle the switch to turn it on. Instantly, you'll notice a warmer, soothing tone on your screen, perfect for nighttime use. Step 4. Adjust intensity. Once night light is enabled, you'll see a slider below it labeled Intensity. Use this slider to adjust how strong the effect is. Slide it left for a subtle warmth or right for a more pronounced, amber hue. Find what's most comfortable for your eyes. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.